Dear investors, we have bring another IPO, and that is Shyam Metallic and Energy Limited IPO 2021. Riddhivej Finance presenting Shyam Metallic and Energy Limited IPO. Probably you will know this company very much because everybody know TMT Saria and all. What is TMT? Still having a lot of advertisement on television, and these people are manufacturing TMTs. Okay, so basically, if you see, the steel business is will boom in case of metallic sector, because right nowadays there is a lot of infrastructure is going on in across India, and hence for this company will boom. Yes, absolutely, within next 2 years. You, if you want to invest for long term, 2 years minimum down the line. Shyam Metallic and Energy Limited company detail. Initially, it is known as a Shyam DRI Power Limited. In 2002, December 10th, it is based in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, where they have changed their name in 2009 on 23rd November as a Shyam Metallic Energy Limited. Their current capacity in Sambalpur manufacturing plant, where they have a lot of size, we have mentioned over here. They have another plant in Jamuria manufacturing, and their capacity we have written over here. You can go through that. And yes, absolutely, their domestic customers including Jindal Steel, Jindal Stainless Hisar Private Limited, Rim Ispat Limited, and they are having Noricom DMCC, Noricom Limited, POSCO International Corporation, World Metal and Alloy FZC, Trax North America LLC, JM Global Resources Limited, Goenka Steel Private Limited, and Vishweshwaraya Steel Private Limited. In December 30, 2021, they have a 42 distributor to finish their large amount of stocks across 13 states in India and in India. Shyam Metallic Board is identified as a below group of company, where Britassia Hydropower Private Limited, Elysian Beautification Private Limited, SL Plywood Private Limited, Godavari Natural Resources Limited, Improve Realtor Private Limited, Kalinga Energy and Power Limited, Kcon Traders Private Limited, Kolan Complex Private Limited, Meghna Vyapar Private Limited, Platinum Minmet Private Limited, Shalagram Powers and Steel Private Limited, Shyam Century Multi-Project Private Limited, Shyam Emco Infrastructure Private Limited, Shyam Ferro Alloy Limited, where Shyam Greenfield Developer Limited, Private Limited, Shyam Orus, that is into Jharkhand Private Limited, Shyam Solar Appliances Private Limited, Sinban Hydropower Limited, SS Natural Resources Private Limited, Shubhlab Commercial Private Limited, Sugam Overseas Trading Private Limited, and Swarna Rekha Abhasan Private Limited, where there are 5 largest companies, and based on the turnover is a Shyam Ferro Alloy Limited, SFAL, Shalagram Power and Steel Private Limited, SPSPL, Godavari Natural Resources, GRNL, Shyam Solar Appliances Private Limited, SSAPL, Improve Realtor Private Limited, IRPL. Shyam Metallic and Energy IPO details, where IPO opening date is on 14th June 2021. IPO closing date is on 16 June 2021. Issue type is book build issue. IPO face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO pricing band between 303 to 306 per equity share, where 45 shares per lot and minimum order quantity is 45 shares. Listing at NSE and BSE. Application minimum you can apply for one lot, that is 45 share, and costing will be around rupees 13,770 rupees, where maximum lot you can apply for 14th and share will be 630, where amount will be rupees 1,92,780. Shyam Metallic and Energy Limited IPO prediction. We are expecting this IPO subscription will happen between 35% to 125%. Please keep watch on a gray market strategy. Yes, this company can gives you good returns on the day of listing too. This is our predictions, but we will confirm it after the subscription finished out. Yes, market risk on own decisions, guys. So if you want to choose this IPO, you can choose it. It depends on your own decisions. We are just guiding about the company. Yes, this company is a literally bigger one, and if you really wanted to invest your money, you can go ahead, but it depends on your own decision whether you want listing gain, whether you want long term gain. It depends on that. Yes, this company can give you good returns, we can say, based on their company strategy and media presence. Shyam Metallic Promoter Holdings. Pre-issue shareholding will be 100%. Post-issue share will be holding 88.35%, where the allotment of date will be June 21st, 2021. Initiation of refund will be June 22nd, 2021. Credit of share to demat account June 23rd, 2021, where IPO listing date will be 24th June 2021. Yes, this company is having a products like iron pellet, sponge iron, billet, TMT, structural and product, wire, rod and pipes, ferroalloys product, captive power plants. Thank you. By Vridhivesh Finance, and we will keep updating you about the IPOs and FPO. Yes, absolutely, you have to choose as investors. You have a value for your own money.